So we have only preparation left, right?
Here's another one. Okay. One missing check. You can go outside.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Aji from Kuming University. This morning I want to present about the predictive maintenance of relative humidity using random forest method. As we know, there's massive development of industry 4.0, so it's inseparable with the machine learning development itself. So this paper I want to describe about how we need to predict the relative humidity or RH to support the maintenance of the factory or in the manufacturing environment, so people can avoid any damage because of too high relative humidity in the factory or a manufacturing environment. In this paper, we can get the prediction of humidity of more than 80% that we will discuss in the next. So we will discuss about the IIT platform also, random forest method itself, result and analysis, and also conclusion. Predictive maintenance use the analytical approach, so by utilizing real-time and historical data. By this, people use the real-time and historical data how to make prediction, some prediction, so it can be to avoid or to repair ahead of time. So this is the main thing of the predictive maintenance. So this is very useful in the manufacturing or factory. So by using predictive maintenance, approximately people can reduce maintenance around 20 until 50%, and decreasing maintenance costs until 10%. In this paper also discuss about the IoT platform that based for the 1M to M architecture. So this is very useful for people to use IoT platform that to get the reliable data and also valid data. As we the author use IoT platform 1M to M technology that to get reliable data. The random forest method is to believe that the most best ensemble method because and also it can use for the classifier and also prediction. So in this paper we do the process data, we get the temperature, humidity, particle 2.5 and particle 10, and we predict the humidity itself. And we get the correlation between different features that we can get the temperature and also humidity is having the correlation, the highest correlation. For this we process the one whole data, which is 86,400 rows. It means a whole data. We collected every 1 second data. So in the whole day, it means 86,400 data. And this, we can get the feature importance, which is the highest importance of our data is temperature, because we can know that temperature is one of the most important factors affecting moistures in the air. So the correlation between humidity and temperature, as temperature increase, humidity decrease, and reverse. According to this data, it's correct, according to the factor affecting each other. And we can get the result and analysis by several times of the simulation. We can get sample state 10, estimator 5,000, and random state 42. So we can get a result of this in the figure. The predicted values of the 1 day data, it's close between actual and the fitted values, or the actual or predicted values. And we can get the evaluation between mean absolute error, mean square error, and also root mean square error. So we can get the lowest MSC, which is the closer to fit to the data. Yeah, the conclusion is the accuracy of 82.49% accuracy can consider as the excellent accuracy according to our reference. So this is very good to the manufacturing side or factory who want to get maintenance to the factory to avoid any over or increase the humidity that can causing damage of their electronic or some electrical devices. So to predict the humidity, they can protect their factory, especially the electrical devices. So this is very good for the factory itself. To the better result accuracy, we need to get the boosting algorithm or better hyperparameter. And also, if people want to next stage, such as prescriptive maintenance, they need to combine with another method, so their machines can give the prescriptive, also the descriptive side of their systems. So this is our presentation. Thank you very much for listening. If there are any question, we can discuss. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, any question? Yeah, Ima.
Okay, thank you Aji for the
Yes.
presentation. My name is Imawan. I would like to ask, why do you use random forest for this research? I mean, for the temperature prediction instead of other algorithm.
Okay. As we know, in the machine learning, in terms of machine learning, there are several methods for like SVM, like naive Bayes. Yeah, according to our experience, by we compare to another method like SVM or naive Bayes, so random forest is having the highest accuracy. That's why, and also it the most versatility. Versatile means it can use for the classifier or also prediction. So this is very useful method and simple method for the manufacturer to get the good prediction of accuracy.
Okay. So, no more question? Okay, thank you.
Thank
Adi.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Good job. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Okay, so we have a third speaker.